My name is Karina Nair. I am based in Washington, D.C., USA. The first thought was it was heavy. Where do I put it? The first time we turned it on, it was very noisy. So it was like, what could be wrong with it? But when the rotis came out, it was like, oh, that's it. That's all it takes. One fear I had was the cleanup I would have to do after. Before, when I used to make rotis, I used to use the food processor to, make the dough, and then of course cleaning a food processor, especially when you have all these sticky dough everywhere, it's a task. So that's what I had in my head that, after I'm done making this roti, when I take out the parts, I'm going to be having to scrub and clean. But all I had to do is actually wait for it to cool down, and then I'm done. Maybe it's 5 minutes. It doesn't take that long at all because the parts are just so small and it's not that messy, especially if you do it right away. I was very impressed.